Hi guys, I'm Hardik, and you might have read in the title, we are here to unbox products by M-Tek. We have all the hot selling ones. We have body kits, we have spoilers, we have roof garnish. Let's roll. So guys, we have the body kit for Tata Punch. Let's unbox. So guys, we have here the side claddings for the Punch. The color is grassland beige, and you can see the product. It looks really fine and all. So let's get to the part. So guys, that's the back add-on for the car. Let's unbox it as well. So guys, that's the product. Looks amazing, completely ABS. Have a look at it. So guys, this is the front add-on for the car. It's car specific, it's color specific, specifically made for Tata Punch. Have a look at it. Grassland beige. The product is, it's fine. Have a look at it. No issues. So that's the product. Have a look at it. Made of ABS. That's the same material used to make the bumper for your car. We have all the colors: Daytona Grey, White, Orcus White, everything on our website. Check it out. It's DolphinAccessories.com. I'll put the link for the guide how to install it in the description. We have it on the pages. So let's roll to the another product. Guys, we have now the spoilers for the car. The color is Daytona Grey. Let's unbox it as well. These are the screws, guys. Who needs it? We'll provide you the guide. We have the roof garnishes. Looks damn amazing. These are the products. Guys, look at it. Looks amazing. Check these for you. Guys, we unboxed all the products for your car. We have the spoilers, the body kits, the roof garnishes all in stock for all the colors. The roof garnishes are specifically in black colors. Products are made of ABS, great material, no issue with the governments, all legal, everything is available. Also check out the website, it's DolphinAccessories.com. I'll put the link in the description. I'll put a video of a screen sharing on the video as well for a guide how to buy the products. Check it out, like and subscribe. Tell us in the comments how did you like the videos. Thanks.